these might be the craziest, best looking basketball sneaker I have ever seen in my entire life. What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be going over my 5 most anticipated sneakers of 2021. All of them already passed the eye test, hype test, all certified, 14 pairs minimum. Let's get into the first one. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, all 5 sneakers are ready to go. No point in wasting time on any drops right here. And this one right here, this might be sneaker of the year. I'm not even sure, but these are crazy. February 27th, we got the ready-made Nike Blazers. Bam! Alright, so when we first saw these, we saw a black colorway on Travis Scott in October, and now a white colorway has surfaced as well. Both colors are insane, alright? If you just look at how crazy the details are, almost like a warped Nike sign, like a cartoon sneaker would be. I haven't decided if I like the black pair more or the white pair, but I'm glad that both of them kind of had that like camo upper to them. If you guys remember 2016, I think we dubbed the acronym Presto as the sneaker of the year, and these are the exact same vibe that these are giving me as well. Very different when you see them. It takes a little while to get used to, but still very familiar because at the end of the day, it is a Nike Blazer silhouette. And besides the design, one thing we always got to bring up when it comes to sneakers nowadays is how available are these going to be? It seems like sneakers are getting more limited as time goes on. So with these, I just hope that we can get our hands on them. I foresee resale being about $500 to $600. Not too crazy, but obviously not super affordable. I hope they are just obtainable to get at the end of the day. And since these are a collaboration with Ready Made, which is a high-end Japanese fatigue brand, I know these sneakers will be very, very quality. So definitely really excited to get my hands on these right here. We got the Ready Made Nike Blazers, February 27th, all right? Do not sleep on these. I feel like they will steadily go up in price after they release. All right, guys, so I know I said in the past Nike SB Dunks only, but Nike has been going absolutely bananas when it comes to the GRs. So I officially retract my statement, all right? GRs are okay. And these ones, fire. They are stated to be a Euro release only, but who knows? Women's release, but anybody can rock these. $100. Bam! College navy, wolf gray with a slight hint of red on them. And you guys got to look at the translucent sole at the bottom. The color blocking is amazing on these sneakers. The one thing I would change on them is like the glittery laces. I can't really do those. It'd be really dope if they come with other laces, but I'm looking at them right now. It seems like the inner lining complements the laces, so it does seem to make sense. They both do kind of have like a sheen to them, but overall, man, these got to be one of the cleanest Nike GR Dunks I've ever seen. Definitely going to get a pair, but you know, $100 retail price. I don't think the resale will be too bad. Maybe like $200 to $250 if I were to guess. I used to like the Sambas, but after seeing these are definitely better in my opinion than those. So yeah, these are going to be a cop for me. Make sure you guys keep a lookout. Might be a Euro release only. Who knows? Let's get into the next sneaker. All right, guys, so March 12th, these are dropping. These might be the craziest, best looking basketball sneaker I have ever seen in my entire life. When I saw these hit the sneaker outlets, my jaw literally dropped. We got the Cosmic Unity Space Hippies. Bam! So these are actually made out of 25% recycled material, which definitely obviously helps the earth out and helps the weight of these sneakers. They are super light, and I also read that they use the same cushioning technology as the KD13s, so the Zoom Air technology is going to be super plush and very responsive. I know some people were saying they give them Reebok Question vibes, which are on the bulkier side, but if you look at them, they look way sleeker in my opinion. There hasn't really been a basketball shoe in a very long time that has caught my eye, you know, obviously besides your Kobe 5s, your Kobe 6 Pro Tros coming out and whatnot, and this definitely does the job. The details from the Nike sign on the marbling to the shape of them, everything comes together super nicely. I just hope that they don't go too crazy with like 20 colorways like Nike always does with their basketball sneakers. But yeah, these are definitely a sneaker that really caught my eye. Really looking forward to these. We got the Cosmic Unities for $150 early March. All right, guys, so May 15th right here. I feel like these are definitely flying under the radar, but people are really going to start talking about these very soon. There's just a ton of other Jordan ones that people are talking about right now, like the trophy rooms and whatnot, but these are super clean. We got the Shadow 2.0s, okay? Bam! So when it comes to shadows, I feel like they just dropped so many different variations of them in the past with the same color blocking, but now they were like, hey, we gotta switch it up, and they made the perfect switch up. They reversed the color blocking, mainly gray right now, and these are absolutely insane. You know, recently I pulled out the cool gray 4s in my collection, and I've been rocking them in my rotation, and sometimes you just gotta appreciate a sneaker that is easy to rock, you don't have to think too much about, and these are it for your collection. And when it comes to the availability, I don't think these will be too hard to get. They will be on sneakers, they will be a Euro release. Actually, what am I saying? When it comes to Jordan 1s, you feel like you're gonna get them, and then you get the L, and then you see someone in their backyard with 500 pairs taking a photo with them. Who knows nowadays? The resellers are definitely going crazy. Hopefully we could all get a W on these on May 15th. But yeah, I feel like these are just gonna be a super easy sneaker to rock. Hopefully won't be too hype. All right, guys, so last but not least, it is without a doubt everybody is looking forward to these right here. 2006 is the last time we saw these. Actually, the only time. We got the Lightning 4s. Bam! 220 bucks, August 7th. Who knows how limited these will be? Hopefully not too limited, but these are absolutely crazy. It is confirmed that these will look like the 2006 pair. I don't know if they're gonna do the Jumpman on the back or Nike Air just to keep it original. I'm cool if it does have the Jordan logo in the back. I just hope that they do not mess up the yellow tint on them. When it comes to the Lightnings, that might be one of the most important aspects of the sneaker is that nice yellow tint. Can't be too bright, can't be too dark. It has to be this nice taxi yellow. Recently, I was in Image NY. They had a dead stock pair, 8.5, and he was gonna hook me up on the price. I'm so glad I did not end up scooping them up, because who knows how long they would have lasted. A lot of people were saying they were gonna crack instantly. I do agree as well, and the fact that these are coming out in August reconfirmed my decision. I'm looking at right, nice distress olive cargos with these right here, nice black wash tee, and you are good to go. You don't have to match the yellow, you don't have to do anything like that. These are absolutely perfect on their own. Let me know if you guys like these. Let me know if you guys are looking forward to these, or do you think they'll kind of fly under the radar like they did in 06. All right, guys, thank you for checking out that 5 most anticipated sneakers of 2021. I know it is early, but even if it's just these 5 that drop for the remainder of the year, I'd be happy. That's how much I like the list right here. Let me know what you guys are looking forward to most on the list. What weren't you feeling? What did you like the most? If your sneaker that you are looking forward to is not on the list, let me know down in the comments below as well. Make sure you guys are subbed to the channel, hit that like button, and until next time, I'm out. Peace!